Here I have ASUS ZenFone AR, and let me show you how to use battery saver mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen, tap apps icon, find and select the settings, scroll down, and under device let's choose battery. Here we've got the information about the battery usage. You can also choose here the more key and select power saving. Here we've got the power saving options. Right now you can use one of the following battery modes. I'm using the normal, but I can use the performance, so I can smartly adjust CPU performance and use the high brightness. I can choose power saving, so networks will be temporarily disabled shortly after your device is asleep, or super saving, so I can keep my phone and alarm awake, but the networks will be disabled. Tap OK. Or I can customize and choose some other mode right here. Let me tap cancel. So let me choose normal in my case. You can also here switch automatically some of the modes by using the battery level or by using the schedule time. Let me go back. You may also scan here and read some suggestions to optimize your battery. And basically that's it. You can go back and start using your device in a normal way. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.